Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. So last night I did a little short video of me putting in the number 4 product into my hair. It's a type of like smoothing oil, and I was just doing a live stream on YouTube when the YouTube app, like, I don't know, it like froze or whatever. So I have flat ironed my hair for the most part. There's still a few spots that have like bumps or whatever in it, or it doesn't look as smooth as I would like. But my flat iron, it only works so long in my hair, and then it comes up on the screen with an error message. And over the years when I've used this on other people, it's never done that, but it always does it on my hair. So I can use it for like a half an hour before it shuts itself off. So I'm not quite sure if it's just my hair is just too much for it. But it starts off at like 72 degrees Celsius and it goes up to 200 degrees Celsius. And occasionally I can get it to go up to 204, but for the most part it stays right at about 200 degrees Celsius. So I just wanted to run over my hair really quick because I did have it pulled up in a ponytail to do my makeup. So I pulled it back a little bit. So I wanted to try and like smooth out anywhere where my hair would have maybe gotten another bump in it from me putting it back. And the product does say that you can use it in wet or dry hair. It says to put it in wet and then style your hair as desired, and then it says when it's dry or when you're done styling it, throw a little bit more in it to cause, you know, a shine. And like right now I've got static electricity in my brush. It was like nice out for a couple of days, and then this morning it rained. We had some pretty bad thunderstorms here in Florida, and it was like 65 when I first got up a few hours ago. I did a trial run with putting it in my hair and then letting my hair dry natural and then brushing it out the next morning to see what it would do. So I have done that, and I'll be doing like a recap of all of this. So I'm putting about half of what I put in it last night when my hair was wet, because it says like to use 1 to 2 pumps in your hair for it wet, and then it says to use like 1 pump with it dry. And it smells really nice. It has like a light fragrance to it. Any hair that's up close to my scalp, I'm just kind of like turning my hand into a claw and running my hands through it, because I don't really want a whole lot of oil up by my scalp. I just more or less want to smooth the product through my hair. The majority of it's off. I don't mind running it through my hair. Okay, now that I've got it worked through and then brushed out, I'm going to run back over it really quick with the flat iron. Now it's making all my gray hairs like super shiny, which doesn't bother me. I know it's funny, when I was working in the salon, women would come in and they had, you know, just gotten a few gray hairs here and there, and they would like freak out and want their hair colored like every 2 to 3 weeks because they couldn't stand having gray hair. That gray hair made them feel old, and that it made them look old, and that's not always the case. I know some women that have like beautiful gray hair and it looks amazing on them, and then there's others that get gray hair and they like dye it horrendous colors. Like say they were a natural blonde, but when they start going gray, instead of keeping their hair blonde, which would, you know, hide the gray more, they dye their hair like black or pitch black or like dark brown. And when their gray starts growing in, it looks 10 times more amplified on their scalp, because you see dark hair and then like this strip of like white on their scalp. And you're like, do you not know how bad that looks? You know, had you just kept your hair light, you would have been fine. Or they think dark hair makes them look younger. That's not always the case either. I don't know. It's funny how women, when we age, how we look at certain things differently. Like you can see when I grab my hair like this and go to flat iron it, you can see I have a big strip of gray right down the center. And I think the light fragrance that this has, when you heat it, it smells really good. It almost smells like a very light perfume. But you can see all of my gray hairs, and I don't mind them. I think they're pretty. You know, I'm 38 years old. I have certainly earned gray hair. I don't mind having them. I'm still dealing with some static back here. It's like, as soon as I let go of it, it statics up. At least it's not as bad in my brush. I really like this oil that I'm putting in my hair. It's considered a serum oil. It's either a serum or an oil, one of the two. Make up your mind. This is the Restore and Repair. It says that it's a lightweight color protecting treatment that rejuvenates while creating smoothness and shine. And when I looked on the website, it basically says that it's supposed to help with, frizz and split ends and that kind of stuff. And I don't have split ends. I've never really had split ends due to the texture of my hair. I have what they call weak ends, but I have to do a video on that. And since my hair is straightened, it'll be easier for me to record close-ups of my hair. And with my hair so dark, I have to literally put it against a white background and try and film some close-ups. So I will try and get that recorded over the next few days while my hair is straight. I did just wash it last night. My hair doesn't feel oily. It doesn't feel greasy at all with the No. 4 product in it. I like how it smells. My hair just feels a little bit extra soft. I did shampoo it and condition it in the shower, and then this is the only product I've put in my hair since doing that. So there's no extra products in my hair, no extra smoothing treatments, no leave-in conditioners, nothing else that I would normally put in my hair is currently in my hair. It's just the No. 4 product, because when I'm testing out a new hair product, I want to be fair to that product and only just use that. So the last couple of times I've washed my hair, I've only used the No. 4 product, and this little guy was full. So this is after 3 or 4 uses. So you can see how much of it I'm using each time. And that's I'm not talking I used it just now, that's 1 use. I used it last night, that's 2 uses. I'm talking different shampoo times. So even though I used it last night, I just used it now, I would consider that 1 use. And I used about a quarter size amount the first time I put it in my hair, and then I used a nickel size amount just now. So this is what my hair is looking like. I really like it. It's not frizzy. It helped my hair straighten a little bit better. And because I'm too close to the camera, you kind of can't see all of my hair. I think it looks good. I like how my hair isn't as frizzy as it was, and it was really frizzy when I woke up this morning. But at least you can see all of my hair. But anyways, hopefully you like this. I'll record another clip probably either later tonight or tomorrow morning to let you see how my hair is doing the day after. So I will see you then. Bye. Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. So I'm not quite sure how much of me you can see right now. I am trying to record this in such a way so you can see my hair or see all of my hair. So I've got the camera pointed kind of at the mirror so you can see. Let's see if you can see me. You can see some of me. Let's see if I can figure this out. You should be able to see most of my hair. I've had it up in a ponytail most of the day. I haven't been really feeling all that great, so I spent a lot of time sleeping today off and on. And then when I got up, I've just basically had it pulled back and ponytail. I haven't really done anything with my hair. I mean, I did brush it when I got up. But this is what it looks like. It's been a little over 24 hours since I flat ironed it. Take my jacket off. I won't before I put it back on. Now there is some static coming in my hair right now. I'm brushing it, but I also just took it off. So. But as of right now, all I have in my hair, it's been almost 48 hours since I washed my hair, because I didn't wash it last night. I washed it the night before last. But all that's in my hair right now is that No. 4 oil. And I really do like it. I like the light fragrance that it has. I don't feel my hair. Yeah, I can still smell it in my hair. It's just a real light fragrance. My hair just smells clean with like a hint of like a perfume after smell. And it really has kept my hair like straight, even with me pulling it back. And you figure my hair, I pulled it back here earlier, and then I've had it pulled up here most of the day. So even with my hair pulled back, the normal waves that you would see in my hair from me pulling my hair back, they're not as pronounced as they would be any other time. And my hair, and I've washed my face and whatnot. I removed my makeup last night. I got up this morning and, washed my face. I had an allergic reaction to one of the products that I put on yesterday, so my face is kind of all irritated. So I have washed it a couple times today, and I did wash my makeup brushes, so I was kind of like hanging over the sink with some hot water earlier, but even then my hair didn't get frizzy or anything. It stayed straight, which is nice. Usually when I like flat iron my hair, it only stays like semi-straight for like 12 hours, and then my natural waves start coming back out in my hair. So with the No. 4 oil, it's actually kept my hair really nice and straight. And if it wasn't so chilly out, I don't think my hair would have as much static in it as it does right now. But it's actually looking really good. I really like how this product turned out in my hair, and I like it. I will continue to use this little sample guide of the No. 4 oil in my hair, and I'll test it out again where I wash my hair and then I blow it dry and then just leave it alone after that. And then I will probably record a little short video recap of that. So that'll be like the third time in a row back to back that I've used the same product, because I only count like the night before last when I put it in wet and then let my hair dry and then flat ironed it and put it in again. I really only count that as like one use, because it's one shampoo session. So when I'm talking about, I put it in my hair before I've shampooed, before I used it, let my hair air dry and left it natural, and then I've used it again. I have used it in the past in conjunction with other products, and I've never had a problem with it. It doesn't cause my face to break out anywhere that I've like touched my hairline with the oil. It's not making my face break out, which is nice because some oils do that. So this is it's a really light oil. It doesn't, like if you put it in your hands, it doesn't make you feel like super greasy or oily, which is also a nice thing, because some of the oils that I have, it like lingers on your hands and you gotta wash your hands and they're like an oil slick. So I really don't like it when hair products do that. So hopefully you like this recap kind of split up video where I put it in wet, I style it while it's dry, and then I do a recap later once it's been in my hair for more than 24 hours. Actually, it's been in my hair for 48 hours just about. So hopefully you like this kind of like split up video that's kind of merged all into one. And I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Feel free to subscribe and share this with your friends, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye.